Yeah, so what you also see, besides a lot of the energetic schools and brands which do more or less the same way of working and activating energy and consciousness, now you also see people putting words like sacral energy transmission or feminine power activation or akashic da 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 da. And then again, if you look at the work, it kind of looks the same. Again, with the music playing, again, with the facilitator working in the energetic field. But the interesting thing is that why would you add the word? That means that there is a focus for the facilitator or the school that trains people in that way on what that word stands for. So say if you would add sacral to Kundalini activation, sacral Kundalini activation, I'm now just making something up, right? Then sacral stands for the second chakra. And then you will have to ask the creator of the modality what their intentions are. But if I would like read into that, then the sacral is like the energy that is connected to our sexual power, our womb power, our sacral chakra, and that would be amplified. And if somebody would add akasha to it, that will refer to the akashic records, like the energetic records of all that is, and you will be focusing more on that. Now the cool thing about why I keep coming back to just calling it Kundalini Activations is that if you open up your intentions to not focus on one thing, all the separate elements will come by. You will at some point, if you just go into energetic activations and trust divinity, trust your higher self and your subconscious, then at some point your sacral energy will come online, your heart energy will come online, your love energy will come online, your feminine energy will come online, your masculine energy, but also reading into the akashic will come online, but when you are ready for it without just zooming in on one part. So we actually collect the whole in working with surrender.